Hi, I'm Ralph.
Hi, I'm Chad.
And today we're going to be making a big old hamburger cake.
Burger cake.
So why are we making this burger cake?
Because viewers like you asked for it.
You know, if you have any other ideas for things that you'd like to see us make, leave a comment below. Do it right now. Don't make me come to your house and make you leave a comment. Just do it. Well, there you have it. That's one big hamburger cake. Chad, this was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was. I enjoyed it.
I think this looks fantastic. What do you like about it?
I think the burger looks so awesome.
Oh, dude.
The Rice Krispies is what really does it.
And that's such an easy technique that you could do at home.
Yeah, marshmallows and Rice Krispies. Done.
I know it's a silly thing. I really like the ketchup. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. And remember to hit that bell icon to get notifications about new videos. You know how YouTube works. If you want to see some more of our videos, why don't you click right over here?